Hey sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Productions, and your favorite plus size stylist is back with a review. Y'all know if I'm sitting in front of here, y'all know what's about to go down. But before we get into it, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. I do create content and post it twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. However, if you don't care anything about that, just click the bell because you'll be notified every time I post some content. Now on this channel I create fashion, family, and lifestyle content because it's the place to be for all of I have wanted to review these some way somehow. They got out of the schedule of my content, and so now it's February. It's real cold outside and these boots are a necessity, okay? A necessity. Y'all know if I'm sitting in this chair, we're reviewing shoes, and shoes. These shoes are from the Rouge brands. Big old box, right? These are from Rainbow. Y'all know I live by Rainbow. Rainbow was the first store that I could shop at as a teenager that like made me look fly, like made me look the way I wanted to look, which is fly, right? Yeah. So I got these from Rainbow. I got these in a size 9, okay? I think these cost $30, yeah, $29.99. However, they are not that price anymore. I think they're either under $20 or like $22. So that's definitely a good deal. I know we have had spring weather, but we're swapping between 50 degrees one day, 17 degrees the next day, so you need to be prepared. Now, I actually like the Rouge brand with Rainbow. That's the only time I can actually experience the brand is with Rainbow. I don't know if they have their own company outside of Rainbow, but that's the only time I've ever seen it, and I don't know every store, but okay, y'all get where I'm going. But these jokers is bad. Look at that. These jokers are super cute. Y'all know I love a good platform now. I love a good platform. Alright, we're gonna just bring these out of the box. Y'all, these are super cute. Let's get into both shoes. Look at that. We have a zipper in the inner thigh or the inner side of your leg. That is always the inside of your leg, and I'm noticing most boots are like that. Is that how? Yeah, they have, and I didn't realize that until I started looking at my other boots. Like majority of the zippers are on the inside of the leg, not on the outside. And actually I don't know why that is a thing. Yeah, I don't know. These do have shoestrings, however I did not use them because there's a zipper. Yes, y'all know I love a good platform, okay? I love a good platform because I'm only 5'3½", and I'm pushing on that ½ inch. Platform allows me not only to, I feel strong. Like not only do I feel taller, but I feel stronger, if that makes any sense. So I love a good platform. Now the only thing I do, like I guess kinda a little bit, if I have to find something I dislike about it, is the platform is white. White gets dirty so fast. However, I think this white looks so good with this, with the metallic silver. I don't think a black would have looked really good with it, even though they have the black detailing here with the shoestring. It's not giving. The platform should have been black. So we're gonna unzip the shoe and see what the inside is looking like. And I did wear these, y'all. I did. Let me show y'all. See, the bottom is dirty. I did wear them once just to see if they was gonna fit, if they were comfortable, and it was all great. The experience of wearing the boot. It was cold outside. They were easy to put on with, look, with the zipper. Very easy to unzip. In the inside, it is fleece lined. Look at that. Look at that fur in the inside. All the way down to the toe, to the piggly wigglies, okay? Checking out the insoles, y'all. All the way down to the piggly wigglies. It is all fleece lined. Now, baby, if you, this is a boot. This is a boot. Y'all know I live in the Midwest. This is how your boots should be. You should not just be sticking your foot in a leather shoe. I love the quilted puffer aspect on the outside. It gives the shoe, not only does it give it style, okay, but it keeps the shoe trendy. This is a trendy boot. Also the color. The color was spot on. That metallic silver, I don't know what it is about that metallic silver. Y'all, I've been eating it up lately. Wait a minute, where my other shoe at? Like, I have a metallic purse. At this point, it's giving girl. This color is to die for. And what's so good about this is it goes with everything. Any boot. If you want to make an outfit comfortable but still sexy, this is the boot. Okay, you can stick your pants on the inside, but you can also put your pant, you know, a boot cut jean, put it on the outside. This shoe is for the winter, but it's to be fly in the winter. I can actually give, I want to say I give these shoes a 10 out of 10. Across the board. It's very hard for me to give stuff 10 out of 10 because there's definitely can be something wrong with it, but this shoe gets a 10 out of 10. If I could wear it every day, I would, especially in the wintertime. Like I said, it gives style with, you know, you have the zipper and the shoestrings with the detailing on the side for each of the shoestrings, and then you have the puffer style of the boot, which is so in. Y'all know the puffer vibes are in, and pants, jackets, purses, all of that. So that's what makes this such a trendy shoe. And then the platform. Y'all know the girlies who are not into stilettos or heels, the platform is your best friend. Platform is your best friend, and a lot of the plus size baddies are kind of venturing down in the platform range. This is the range you need to be in, the platform range, okay? That platform style is going to eat every single time, all right? Now, I'm going to show you an on foot of how they look on my feet. I actually have on some cute purple jeans today, so it's going to just really bounce off of each other. Let's get into it. Really good on my foot, and that's on period. Now, like I said, I will have the link for these boots in the description. Rainbow does their things when it comes to boots. A lot of my boots, when I started wearing like thigh-high boots and, you know, boots up to the knee, they came from Rainbow. They always come from Rainbow. Rainbow stuff, a lot of people try to dog Rainbow. Rainbow items and clothing and shoes are everlasting. Baby, you gotta rip them jokers from your hand just to get rid of them, because they are everlasting. They got you in a chokehold, especially me. I'm the president of Chokehold Crew when it comes to Rainbow. That's my story, and I'm sticking to. Okay. If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. I do drop a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. And if you don't care nothing about when I post, but you just want to watch my content, click the bell. Y'all know the vibes. On this channel, I talk about fashion, family, and lifestyle content, because it's the place to be for all of that, y'all. I am forever Patra Denise, and y'all be sweet. Smoochie.